Open the media door. Align the segments of the ribbon supply spindle. Place the roll of ribbon on the ribbon supply spindle with the loose end unrolling clockwise. Tear off a strip of media. Peel a label from the media strip. Attach this label to the end of the ribbon to act as a leader. Open the printhead. Feed the ribbon leader under the ribbon roller and under the printhead. Bring the ribbon leader over the upper ribbon roller and then towards the ribbon take-up spindle. Wind the ribbon leader and attach the ribbon counterclockwise around the ribbon take-up spindle. Turn the spindle to remove any ribbon slack. Loosen the thumb screw that's located on the bottom of the outer media guide. Slide it all the way out. Slide out the media supply guide. Place the roll of media on the media supply hanger and push it back. Slide in the media supply guide until it touches the media. Thread the media under the media dancer assembly roller, under the media guide roller, and under the upper media sensor. Push the media forward until it passes under the snap plate, under the printhead, and over the platen roller. Slide in the media supply guide until it touches the media. Tighten the thumb screw. Close the printhead. Close the media door. Press pause to enable printing.